Well, hello, friends and family from around the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew, daily events worldwide. We're on January 9th, 2020. Welcome to the surviving day on this planet. Thank you for joining me. Now, today, quickly, I was looking at the magnetospheric movie over the last 12 hours. This is the last 4 hours, and I noticed that we had a 1,000 kilometer per second solar wind spike. And we can see it here in this magnetospheric movie. You'll see that thick, hard red push towards Earth. If you don't know what we're looking at here, the black and white circular spot is Earth. So that's showing the wind speeds. This is showing the wind pressure coming towards us, the solar wind speed. Now, if you didn't watch the video I uploaded 2 days ago, we did have a space weather event that was directed toward us. It was an Earth-facing event, which I had first thought it was, but no, we weren't sure. But it hit us. It slapped us with 1,000 kilometer per second wind speeds. And then just as I was doing my investigation here, looking at the magnetospheric movie, looking at the pressure, looking at the density, and then all of a sudden I get an alert for a 6.3 earthquake in Russia. That's right. That just happened. It is now 2 a.m., January 9th, 2020. And we got slapped with 1,000 kilometer per second wind speeds and a 6.3 earthquake in Chukotka, Russia. Let's get to the earthquake map here. We're going to quickly zoom in. 6.3 in, what is that? Chukotka, Russia. Now, you don't normally see earthquakes there. Normally you see them a little bit further south towards Chevalech. And there's D.E.W messaging me right now as we speak. So yeah, 6.3 and a 4.0. This is the last 24 hours of earthquakes that we're looking at right now. And if you notice, on the west coast, we did have a 4.4 earthquake, Port Hardy, Canada. But here we had some deep earthquakes in Japan, 420. As well, Indonesia was a rockin' today around Krakatoa. But here we are at 4.4, Port Hardy, Dominican Republic. Earthquake swarm is still happening. We just had another large earthquake, yesterday, 5.1, 5.2 here in Chile, Iquique, Chile. 5.2 earthquake here, Southwest Indian Ridge. Space weather affects our planet, affects our hearts, affects our minds, because it's all connected. It's all the magnetic universe. Look at these earthquakes over New Zealand. 5.6 Fiji Islands. 4.6 feet Nidoy Island, Fiji, 620 kilometers deep. So stay aware and prepared, my friends. We could have even a larger and shallower earthquake to follow this 6.3 already large and shallow earthquake in Russia. Mountainous region, not very populated, mind you, but this is a large earthquake, and this is what my channel is about, staying aware and prepared. Looking here at the Pacific Disaster Center, we'll zoom in exactly where it is. As you can see, it was not a coastal earthquake. so no tsunami threat. But it's not a very populated area. But this is how space weather can affect us. Thanks for watching today. Please share this video with your friends and family from around the world. 6.3 earthquake, Chukotsky, Russia. Thanks for watching today. Stay aware and prepared. Stay young and have fun. And get your morning dew. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.